Mercedes-Benz is once again pushing the boundaries of automotive innovation, this time with a major leap in steering technology. In the latest version of the Mercedes-Benz EQS, the brand introduces steer-by-wire, a system that removes the mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the front wheels. Instead, everything is controlled electronically, creating a driving experience that feels surprisingly natural, yet noticeably more refined. What stands out immediately is how effortless the steering becomes. Whether navigating tight city streets or cruising at highway speeds, the system adapts seamlessly. Parking requires less effort, and there is no need to constantly adjust hand positions. At the same time, unwanted vibrations from rough roads are filtered out, allowing for a smoother and more controlled feel behind the wheel. This technology also changes how the cabin feels. With a flatter and more compact steering wheel, the interior appears more open, and visibility of the driver display improves. Getting in and out of the vehicle is easier, adding to that welcoming feeling Mercedes-Benz aims to deliver every time you step inside. Behind the scenes, safety remains a top priority. The system has been tested for over 1 million kilometers and features multiple backup systems to ensure steering control is always available. Even in rare failure scenarios, systems like rear axle steering and electronic stability control help maintain vehicle stability. This innovation arrives during a milestone moment for Mercedes-Benz, as the company celebrates 140 years since the invention of the automobile by Carl Benz. From that first breakthrough to today's advanced electric vehicles, the focus has remained the same: redefining what driving can feel like. With steer-by-wire, the future feels closer than ever.